alone can complete a work in 4 days, B alone can do the same job in 12 days. Okay, so A can do a job in 4 days and B alone can do the same job in 12 days. This is mentioned in the question. Now what you need to calculate, in how many days can A and B together complete the same work? In how many days A and B take together to complete the job? Now what is my concept? My concept is LCM give you the total work done. Okay, so what is LCM of 4 and 12? So the 4 and 12 LCM is what? 12 units. 12 I converted into units because this is more convenient for understand. Okay, so 12 unit is my total work. This is what? Total work. Total work which need to complete. Okay, now A complete 12 units in 4 days. Okay, so what is A's one day work? What is A's one day work? So A manufacturing 12 by 4, it means 3 units per day. 3 units per day A manufacturing. Okay, B complete 12 units in 12 days. So what is B's one day work? So B's one day work is 12 by 12 and that is 1 units per day. Fine. Now A and B together, how much time they will take? Now first I am going to calculate the add of both. So it will give me A plus B working together 1 day work. So A और B एक दिन में कितना यूनिट बना रहे होंगे? तो A बनाता है 3 यूनिट, B मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 1 यूनिट, both can complete 3 and plus 1 4 यूनिट. So B, A and B working together complete 4 units per day. Okay, कितना बनाना है? 12 यूनिट बनाना है, 4 यूनिट पर डे बनाना है, तो कितना दिन लेंगे? तो A and B complete the whole work. This is total work. Divide by this 4 unit. So A and B take 3 days to complete the job, and this is my answer. 3 days to complete the job. Okay, so this is one question. Now move to the second one. What is mentioned? A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. A and B can working together to do a piece of job in how many days? 20 days. तो A plus B किसी काम को कितने दिन में करते हैं? तो भाई वो 20 days में कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, ये मेंशन है. लिखा है while B alone can finish in 50 days. इसमें B जो है अकेले कितने में कर लेता है? 50 days में कर लेता है. ये क्वेश्चन दे रखा है. How much time A take to finish the same work? आपको निकालना है A उस काम को कितने दिन में कर लेगा. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन है. आप एक चीज सोचिए, ओके, कि किस तरीके से मेरा अप्रोच होगा. तो देखिए A and B किसी काम को 20 डेज में करते हैं, जिसमें B अकेला 50 दिन में करता है. ओके, दिस इज मेंशन. सो फर्स्ट यू फाइंड आउट द LCM of 20 and 50. So what is the LCM of 20 and 50? Now I am going to calculate. So this is 20, this is 50. If I take 10, so this comes 2 and 5. We take 2 to 1 5. If I take 5 1 1. So 10 2s are 20, 25 is 100. So LCM of 20 and 50 is 100. Now I am converting this into units. So this is my what? Total work. This is total work. Okay. तो total work कितना करना है मुझे? 100 यूनिट करना है. Okay. Now to complete 100 unit, A and B together take 20 days. So what is A plus B's one day work? What is A plus B's one day work? So my A plus B's one day work is 100 divided by 20. So it means that A and B together one day work is 5 यूनिट. सो A and B मिलके 5 यूनिट बनाते हैं पर डे, इसमें 20 दिन में वो 100 यूनिट कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. नाउ अलोन B takes, so what is B's one day work? So my B's one day work is total is 100 unit, 50 unit, 50 days B take to complete the job. It means B manufactures how many units? 2 units per day. 2 units per day B manufacturing. Now you need to calculate what A. So what is A's one day work? So if you subtract this value, B's and B is gone. So you can find out A's one day work. So my A's one day work is equal to 5 minus 2. It comes 3 units. It means A one day work is what? 3 units per day. Now कितना बनाना है? 100 unit. So A takes, this is my total unit production per day. He or she manufacturing 3 unit. So A take 33. 1 by 3 days to complete the total job. So total work done, A takes 33 1 by 3 days to complete 100 unit of production. So this is the concept and this is the logic. Again, now it become easier to you. Now you understand the problem. Now you know, okay, first I am going to calculate the total work done by taking LCM, then calculate one day work, and then what parameter in question asks. According to that, we add or subtract the parameter, will get the partial solution, and then finally the complete solution. Okay. Now again, I move to the next one. A can do a work in 6 days. A can do a work in 6 days. A can do a work in 6 days. B and C can do the same work in 10 days and 15 days. So B 10 days, C 15 days. Okay. So this is mentioned in the question. Okay, fine. Now, how much time A, B and C together take the finish the work? So you need to calculate A plus B plus C takes how many days to complete the entire work. So first you need to calculate what is my total work. Okay, by LCM. So taking LCM give you the total work. Okay, so what is the LCM of 6, 10, 15? Calculate it. 10, 15. So this is what 5, 6, 2, 3. 2 3s are 1, 3 and 3. So 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30. So my LCM is 30. So this is, you convert into units. So this is my total work which need to complete. Total work which need to complete. Okay, fine. Now in total work is 30 units. Now this 30 unit produces by A in 6 days. So what is A's one day work? What is A's one day work? So A manufacturer 30 by 6, it means 5 units per day. So this is one day work of A. What is B's one day work? So what is my B's one day work? So B's one day work is 30 divided by 10. So 3 units, B manufactures 3 units per day. What is C's one day work? So my C's one day work is 30 is total unit production and takes 15 days. So C manufacturing 2 units per day. Now what question asks? Question asks combined work. Okay, so first you add all this. One day work A plus B plus C's. What is one day work of A plus B plus C working together? You need to add 5, 3, 10 and 5, 3, 8 and 2, 10 unit. So मिल करके 10 यूनिट बनाएंगे पर डे. टोटल बनाना कितना है 30 यूनिट. तो कितना टाइम लगाएंगे भाई? एक दिन में 10 यूनिट बना रहे हैं, दो तीनों मिल करके 30 बनाना है. तो कितना दिन लेंगे? डायरेक्टली आप निकाल सकते हो 3 दिन लेंगे. कैसे निकाला आपने? तो भैया A प्लस B प्लस C टोटल बनाना है 30 यूनिट, पर डे बना रहे हैं 10 यूनिट. सो इट कैंसल्ड आउट. तो A प्लस B प्लस C टेक्स 3 days. 3 days. So 3 days to complete the entire work, that is 30 unit. So my answer is what? 3 days. Okay, now this is the third question. Now move to another question, fourth question, and that question is A can do a piece of work in X day. A can do a piece of work in X days. So instead of day mention X value. Okay, B can do the same work in 4X days. B can do the same work in 4X days. Okay, fine. Now to finish the work together they take 16 days. Okay, so A और B मिल करके कितना दिन में खत्म कर रहे हैं? 16 days ले रहे हैं. Okay, this is mentioned in the question. Now you need to calculate what is the value of X. So you need to calculate what is the value of X. So this is mentioned. A can do a piece of work in 6X days. B can do the same work in 4X days. So what is my LCM of X and 4X? So X and 4X का LCM क्या होगा? 4X. This 4X units is my what? Total work. Total work is what? 4X unit which need to complete by A and B. Now this is my total work. A take X days. So what is my A's one day work? A's one day work. Okay, fine. So A manufacturing 4X divided by X day completion date. So A manufacturing 4 units per day. What is B's one day work? So B's one day work is what? B's one day work is equal to 4X divided by 4X. So B manufacturing 1 unit per day. Now A and B together. So A plus B's together one day work is what? 4 plus 1, 5 units. Okay. Now what is given already? So this is A plus B's one day work is 5 unit. Okay. and A plus B together take how many days? 16 days. Okay, कैसे आया होगा? तो देखो हम कैसे निकाल देते हैं, A plus B total work done is what? This 4x divided by this 5 will give me the total work done, and this value is already given. This is total work day. So this is what? 16 is equal to 4x by 5. Clear? 4 4s are 16. So cross multiply. So x equal to 5 into 4. So x equal to how many days? 20 days. So it means that A take 20 days to complete the work and B take 4 into x means 80 days. So A takes x means 20 days to complete the job. B takes 4x. It means 20 into 4 into 20. It comes 80 days. Okay, to complete the job. Now if this question comes and this is the answer, then again I check my answer is correct or not. So you simply what you can do is you take the LCM, okay, of this value. So 80 will be the LCM, total work done. So what is A's 1 day work? 4 unit per day. What is B 1 day work? 1 unit per day. Total 1 day work 5 unit per day. And if you divide 80 by 5, you will get 16, which is already mentioned over here. Okay, so it means my answer is correct. What I already said, it may be fast. So if suppose this question is given to you कि A किसी काम को 20 दिन में करता है, B किसी काम को 80 दिन में करता है, तो बताओ A और B मिलकर कितने दिन में काम करेंगे? क्योंकि ये मेरा ऑलरेडी आंसर है, तो क्या दैट इज आल्सो ट्रू? तो देखते हैं, LCM of 20 and 80 is what? LCM of 20 and 80 is 80. Clear? Okay, so this is my total work. Okay, so A चूंकि 20 दिन में आता है 80 यूनिट, तो A का एक दिन का काम कितना हो जाएगा? 80 by 20. इसका मतलब हो गया 4 यूनिट बनाता होगा. B का 1 day work कितना होगा? B's 1 day work is 80 by 80, so it comes 1 unit. A और B मिल करके 1 day work क्या होगा? A plus B's 1 day work is what? 4 plus 1 5 unit per day. So A plus B 1 day work is 5 unit. Total unit you need to complete is 80. Divided by this 5, you will get number of days completion. So A and B take 16 days to complete the job, which already mentioned here, this one. Okay, it means that my answer x equal to 20, that means A complete the work in 20 days, B complete the work in 80 days is absolutely right. Thank you so much for watching this.